Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure Cloudflare CDN easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, select the website you want to secure from the dashboard. Navigate to the Firewall tab located on the top menu. In the Firewall section, locate the Settings option on the left sidebar. Ensure that security level is set to high for better protection against threats. Next, click on the Access Rules option within the Firewall tab. Here, add rules to block unwanted IP addresses or countries from accessing your site. Proceed to the SSL/TLS tab on the top menu. In the SSL/TLS settings, choose the Full or Full, Strict option for maximum security. Then, navigate to the Network tab. Enable the Always Use HTTPS feature to force secure connections. Below that, enable the Automatic HTTPS Rewrites option to fix secure resource links. Next, go to the Caching tab. Ensure that the browser cache TTL is set accordingly, ideally for 1 month. Now, within the Page Rules section, create a new rule for your domain. Set up a rule to cache everything and adjust the settings as needed. Return to the dashboard and locate the Speed tab. Enable the Auto Minify feature to improve your site's performance by reducing file sizes. Then, turn on Rocket Loader to enhance loading times for JavaScript. Lastly, review the DNS settings. Ensure your DNS records are proxied, indicated by an orange cloud icon, for additional security. Once all settings are configured, monitor your site for any unusual activity. Regular updates and periodic security reviews are advisable to maintain your site's integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.